Hi, it's Kathy from MummyTravels and I am at the Radisson Blu Stansted. We have a hideously early flight tomorrow morning out of Stansted, so we decided that we would not get up in the middle of the night, and instead Radisson Blu have very kindly offered us a night here to review. So we are staying in a really nice room. I thought I'd give you a quick look around. Let me just flip this around. Oops. So in you walk, and the first thing you see is, well, the first thing I saw was that really cool lampshade. I rather like that. But nice big bed, separate bed, little bed here for my daughter. And then I walked in and I'm like, oh look, there's a whole extra room here. So I think we have one of the special rooms, if you like, on the top floor. But very cool, there's a whole sofa, so no hiding in the bathroom after she goes to sleep. And here we go into the shower. They've got really nice toiletries. They've got This Works, so I will be availing myself of those. Hello. And what also looks like a really nice shower, which will be good because I have to get up, as I said, in the middle of the night tomorrow. And then as you wander back through, there's a few nice little touches. An espresso machine, excellent, also very useful for the early morning, and a rather ornate mirror there. There we go, there's a close-up of, I don't know, it just rather tickles me, I like that. And then as I was wandering back, look, this is fun. I like it when hotels have at least something quirky. Oh, sorry, I've got a reflection there. There you go. There's a snail with his luggage on his back. And then I realised, having charged in, there's another bathroom here. Which is impressive. So yet more This Works stuff, and there's some pillow spray because I probably will lie awake thinking I'm going to miss my flight, and a bath with another shower. So there you go. Not too shabby at all. I reckon that is a rather nice way, let me flip this back round, a rather nice way to start holiday. We're going to have dinner here tonight as well. They've got a couple of restaurants. There is a buffet, so I'll be going there with my daughter. That's nice and easy. And they have a wine tower as well. Now, the hotel is undergoing a lot of renovation over the next couple of months, so I don't have all the details yet of what is going to change, but apparently the wine tower is going to be among the changes, but I'm assured it will be, whatever the new thing is, even more exciting than they have now. I caught a sneak peek of it, and I'll try and post some photos later. It is gigantic. There are more bottles of wine than I think I've ever seen in one place before, all towering up to the ceiling. So I don't know exactly how it works, but obviously I will have to order a glass of wine to find out. And then the best bit, 2 minutes walk across the walkway tomorrow morning, and we are in the airport, at which point I will fall onto the plane sleepily and discover if Ryanair has changed much in the 8 years since I last flew with them.